Welcome to Asim Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we are going to write an example Python code that reads a JSON file and modifies its contents. Let's write code. Open the JSON file in read mode. Load the content of the JSON file into a Python dictionary. Modify the content. Example: updating a specific field. Update the name field to John Doe. Open the JSON file in write mode to save the changes. Write the modified dictionary back to the JSON file with pretty formatting. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.